On this video, we're going to show you how to use the Johnsonville Indoor Electric Grill to grill this delicious Italian sausage, peppers, and onions in about 11 minutes. Hi folks, it's Mike with Kitchen Tips Online, the place where the smartest people on YouTube come to learn new kitchen tips and tricks to help them save time and money in the kitchen. On our last video, the review of the Johnsonville Indoor Electric Grill, I started wondering if you can cook Johnsonville Italian sausage, bell peppers, and onions all at the same time on this grill. So I started working on the recipe, and guess what? We nailed it. Check this out. We'll begin by dicing up our onions and bell peppers to a size that will fit on the Johnsonville sizzling sausage grill. And we're going to use this very cool vegetable chopper. This inexpensive vegetable chopper works like a champ. And by the way, we have it on our store, on our website, along with the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill for those of you who are interested. And we'll put a link in the video description if you want to check them out at our store. Now that we have the bell pepper and the onions all chopped up and ready to go, we'll put it in a bowl so we can add a little olive oil and a special ingredient. Believe it or not, we're going to use Montreal Canadian steak seasoning, and boy does it bump up the flavor. If you saw our review of the Johnsonville Indoor Electric Grill, you know that you always have to have at least one sausage in the #1 position. In this case here, we're going to cook 3, and then we're going to fill the other 2 empty spaces in with our bell peppers and onions. Now check this out, because you won't believe how fast this Johnsonville Italian sausage, green peppers, and onions cook. And as you can see for yourself, they're done in under 11 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of our sausage to confirm that they're done. The temperature should be at least 160 degrees, and obviously I made an extra one so I can eat it while I'm making this video. Well, basically I used 1/2 of an onion and 1 complete bell pepper. But I put the bell peppers and onions in the bottom of the bun to spread out the flavor. And that leaves a little bit less for the top, as you'll be able to see when we're done. Well, there you go, folks. Now, if you think we did a good job, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, I would recommend you subscribe. And when you do subscribe, remember to click the notification bell so that YouTube will send you notifications when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.